Happy Middle School Monday. Let's take a look at the middle school technical exercise and look at the first segment. It starts in measure 1, carries through measure 2. While we're working on this segment, let's take a second and isolate two very challenging technical segments. The first is found in measure 1. It's right there on beat 3. B, F sharp, D sharp, B. B, F sharp, D sharp, B. You want to cycle that pattern over and over and get some muscle memory and comfort with that pattern. You notice you're going to have to use both your right hand D sharp and your left hand B in succession. So you want to make sure that you feel comfortable. I might practice it like this. Slowly and exaggerate the finger movement, really making sure that I'm comfortable with the D sharp on the right and the B on the left. Notice you have to move these three fingers simultaneously to get that F sharp to D sharp to speak properly. One more time. The second spot that I would look at is over in measure 2. It's this pattern starts on beat 2, C sharp, D sharp, B, D sharp. Left, C sharp, right, D sharp, a B on the left, and a D sharp on the right. A little tricky, need to work through that. Maybe something like this. And from there, you have to jump from the D sharp to the F, back down to the B. You might practice that as a final segment. With patterns like that, it's really important, a couple things. Number one, keep your fingers close to your clarinet. I like to think of keeping my fingerprints on the keys at all times. Secondly, though, you want to move your fingers very accurately, very intentionally, almost like a robot. Very accurately, very intentionally. So if we take those techniques, those little games that we've used to build our facility, and now we can go back to the beginning of this segment and we can play measures 1 and 2. Slowly, let's do it together. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Now let's pick up the speed a little bit. 1 and 2 and ready and go. And one last time, a little quicker. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Here's the fun part about this segment. If you can really master these first two measures, this pattern is going to present itself 2, 3, 4 times in the exercise. So work really hard on this, get it sounding perfect, and then know that you get to use that same information, that same muscle memory, that same knowledge a couple other times. So here's my challenge to you middle schoolers. Let me hear you play the first two measures of this exercise. Send them to me at chris@fivestarmusicacademy.com. There's a link in the description below. I would love to hear you play it, and I'll select one winner to receive a free 15-minute mini lesson after you submit. Submissions have to be in by next Wednesday. That's a week and 2 days from today. I can't wait to see who wins. If you're interested in more detailed information, more help as you get ready for All-State, let me encourage you to click the link below. Go visit us at fivestarmusicacademy.com. Courses, we have a special middle school course available. And right now, we're offering $15 off during the month of September. You can use the code KICKSTART and choose that middle school module. We'd love to give you a discounted price on that. Let me help you get ready for All-State.